0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 10, discussion about breakfast.
Rashid, Amir, and Huzaifa are living in the same flat. They cook the meals by themselves. Amir is sleeping and Rashid comes to make him awake for breakfast. The discussion goes as follows.
Amir, get up, dude. It's morning and it's half an hour late as well. How much will you sleep now? You are really a very lazy person.
I am very tired. Let me sleep for some more time.
Have you gone mad? Look at the watch. It is 8 o'clock.
What are you saying? It is just morning.
Get up, get up. Look at the watch. It is almost 8:30.
Dude, I couldn't sleep at night. And I fell asleep too late. Let me sleep for a while more, please.
Hurry up. We have to go to the college at 9 a.m. So get up quickly, brush your teeth, take a bath and change your clothes.
How much time is it to 9 o'clock?
20 minutes only.
Only 20 minutes. There is very little time left. Okay, I'm getting ready now, but please bring my clothes.
Okay, hurry up. Everything is here. I have put everything here.
Have you prepared breakfast too, or will it take time?
Yes, everything is ready and we are sitting at the dining table, just waiting for you.
Okay, then. I am just coming within 10 minutes.
Amir comes to the table.
Here Amir came. Come. Please come in.
Wow, today there are different kinds of dishes are made for breakfast. Who cooked today's breakfast?
Huzaifa has made, and who else?
Wow, breakfast is so delicious. Thanks, Huzaifa.
What's so thankful about that? Huzaifa is a good cook for sure.
Yes, he is.
Okay, don't talk more now. Look, there are boiled eggs, there is milk, and have breakfast quickly. We have very little time for our college.
I don't feel like drinking milk today. Can I get tea? Is tea not made today?
No, tea is not made today.
No problem. Give me half a loaf of bread then.
Okay, take here the bread. Eat food comfortably and chew it properly.
Okay, thanks. For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.